right, here's a quick run through of how I used AI to build my first iOS app in a day. Technically 2 days, but it was a day. So we started out, we had built it originally in this thing called Apple Shortcuts, which lets you kind of build like kind of mini apps in the phone and get a lot of the functionality. And we had a pretty complex one that originally had everything that we needed. But it was a sucky user experience. We wanted an app. So I took a screenshot of all of pretty much the entire Apple shortcut, and then said, help me create a product spec for an app that does the same thing as this Apple shortcut. And this is just in ChatGPT. So first it came up with this product spec, and then next step I wanted to kind of edit it and make it better. So I said, can you tighten it up, yada yada, do it in Canvas. And you can activate this by doing slash and then type in Canvas there. And you'll see what that did is it broke it out into this pretty much like Google Doc, Microsoft Word type thing here, where you can type and then it pretty much lets you edit it on the fly, and you can still use a bunch of AI tools to ask questions, adjust it. So from this product spec, I took this, and initially I tried to do it in Replit. They have a AI coding agent, and it didn't quite work. I don't know, I was having trouble, so whatever, 10 minutes later I kind of gave up. Then today I saw a tweet about Bolt, which is another AI coding app where you just type in whatever you want and it builds it for you. And people are saying, oh my God, it's working very well, which I tried it in the past and it ran into difficulties and would get caught up pretty easily. But Claude, Anthropic, just released a new model, Claude 3.7, that is particularly good at a lot of these agentic tasks where it's a lot of steps going step by step. So I tried it with that, and looks like we're not getting the first messages, but I kind of just gave it that product spec and it built it through step by step all the way. Running into bugs here and there and telling it to fix, but I just told it to fix it and asked for different little UI changes, and it did it quite well. And then once I got that done, I just exported it here, downloaded it, and then took it into Cursor, which is kind of my more intense code editing app, but you wouldn't need to do this. And now I have an actual app that is downloaded in the App Store. All in probably took me 5 hours of work, 2 hours of which were just setting up an Apple account and getting all the BS to submit stuff to the App Store. And now you'll see I have this app on my phone where I can download photos from my company Memory Labs, where we digitize home photos and videos, and then get them into your Apple Photos like everything else. So you'll see that here.